Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about like some of the roadblocks that will stop you from growing in your affiliate marketing business, especially when you're beginning. So I'm going to cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'm documenting my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button and also be sure to check the first link in the description if you're serious enough to get started with affiliate marketing in the right direction. So this is the program created by my mentor, and this is the program that helped me grow my business. So I'm sure it does it to you as well. So be sure to check the first link in the description. And coming back to today's topic, like this mental block, I'm able to explain it because like once I got started with my online journey, like I did not even make a single dollar in the first 6 months. I think it was back in end of 2018, like I made my first dollar online, but actually I had started like way back in like 6 months prior to that, and I was not able to make money and I was not getting that breakthrough. And it could be because like I was not prepared enough, like I have not gone through the right training. So this is the thing, like many people do not shoot up to their, do not stick with their affiliate marketing business in the long run because they are not able to find their breakthrough. And if you have found your breakthrough like within your first 15 days, like you'll be pumped and you think that the proof of concept, like this thing works, and that confidence will make you things much easier. Like that's why they call it is your first dollar is always harder and your first $100 are harder. So once you get your first dollar online or first $100 online or first $1,000 online, the journey becomes much easier. Like you start to believe in yourself. The main thing, like most people quit is because they don't see that $100, their first $100. So it becomes so much of resistance in their head, like they will not be able to believe in themselves, like they can do it, like whether this thing will work for them. So once that thought come in your mind, like nothing is gonna work. Trust me, this happened with me multiple times, like when I did not see any money, because this can happen for multiple reasons. I'm not saying you are the sole reason for this to happen. Like there are things like you're following the wrong advice, you're following some shitty, some quick making money hack somebody is teaching you, so you're following that and you're not able to generate revenue, and that's kind of a mental block that it creates in your head. And once you don't make that happen, like you will stop doing what you're doing. So I highly recommend you to follow the proven strategies. So what I meant by proven strategies are like creating content and like showing up every single day. Lead generation, like collecting emails and creating irresistible offer, learning new skills every single day. Like these things actually are going to bring you revenue. Like they may not bring you the money on the first day, but in the long run they are going to bring you. So you don't want to give up. Like so if you haven't received your breakthrough yet, like you haven't made $1 online yet, like you got to stay focused, follow on the proven rules and stick with it until you make it. Once you make it, trust me, you will shoot up like a rocket, because they always say first $100 are the toughest, but once you make that, the journey will become much smoother. So like if you are at this stage, like you're not able to remove that thing out of your head, like if it's just stacking up, like you're not, the belief system goes down. Like once you're stacking up that disbelief that I believe that I'm not good enough for this, I'm not able to do this, like this is the mental block, like many people don't talk about, because they think making money online is just like some random guy coming to your link and buying the thing from you. So those all are the mechanics. So the first thing is like mindset comes first, because you got to be in the right mindset in order to succeed online. So I highly recommend you follow somebody who's already successful in whatever you're trying to do, and follow the proven strategies they are teaching and stick with it until you see your first breakthrough. Do not give up, because once you see that first dollar or first $100 or first $1,000, trust me, you're gonna shoot like a rocket. So there are many people like who say most 90%, like people start with their online journey, they do not, out of 100%, 90 people quit their business within 2 days, 2 months, or depending on like where they are. So I highly recommend you not to stop whatever you're doing. Follow the proven principles, work until you get your first breakthrough. Trust me, the journey will become much smoother after that. So this is a short video I just wanted to create. I wanted to give you an idea, like if you are at this stage, if your belief system is like not able to believe that you're gonna do it, like you're started doubting yourself, you're at this stage, do not stop. Keep crushing it, like you are gonna make it if you follow the proven strategies. If you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing in the right way, which helped me to grow, be sure to check the first link in the description. That is one of the badass affiliate program ever created. So I'm sure it will help you. Be sure to check it out. And if you want to connect with me personally, you can just email me. We can have a call, and we can see how things we can take together. So this is it for today. So if you're getting value from this video, guys, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.